In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use widgets in Monday.com, a powerful tool that can streamline your workflow and make managing projects a lot more efficient. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of setting up and using widgets on this platform. First things first, head over to Monday.com. Once you're there, take a look at the upper right corner of the page. That's where you'll find the login button. Go ahead and click on it. After you're redirected to the login page, you have a couple of options on how to log in. You can sign in with Google if that's convenient for you, or simply type in the email address associated with your Monday.com account. If you've chosen the Google sign-in option, make sure to select the email address you want to use to access your workspaces. This helps maintain continuity and ensures that all your data is synced properly. Now that you are logged in, it's time to get familiar with the interface. Within your workspace, look to the left of your screen and you'll notice a blue plus sign button. Clicking this will start the process of creating a new dashboard. Dashboards are wonderful features in Monday.com that allow you to aggregate data from different boards, providing a comprehensive overview of your projects and tasks. After clicking the plus sign, select Dashboard from the menu. The platform will prompt you to give your dashboard a name. Feel free to call it something descriptive that will help you identify its purpose later. Once you're happy with the name, hit the Create Dashboard button. With your dashboard created, the next step is to connect it to a board. This is crucial because it's from these boards that your widgets will pull data. Select the board you wish to connect from the list provided and click Done to finalize this step. Now for the exciting part, adding widgets to your dashboard. Locate and click on the Add Widget button. This opens up a drop-down menu brimming with options. Widgets can be anything from charts and graphs to numbers and calendar views, each serving its own unique function. Browse through the drop-down menu to select a widget that suits your needs. If you don't see what you're looking for, you can click on More Widgets for additional options. Widgets are customizable and can be moved around the dashboard to fit your layout preference. By taking some time to experiment with different widgets, you'll start to see just how versatile Monday.com can be for your project management needs. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using widgets in Monday.com. By taking advantage of these features, you'll empower your team with insights and analytics that can make decision making easier and more effective. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.